I am Amenoding Ismael, math teacher in grade 10 level at Piagapo National High School. In this video, we are going to tackle the concept of synthetic division, which is one of the short way process in the division of polynomials. Objective is perform the division of the polynomials using synthetic division methods. Analyze the given problem below by completing numbers on the boxes provided for. Divide 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 by x minus 2. Now let us show the solution. Write the polynomial in a standard form, means 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. 2, the coefficient formed in a line 1, that is the numerical coefficient of these polynomials. The 2, you can write 2, the negative 6, the positive 11, and the negative 6. 3, write the divisor in the form x minus r, which is the x minus 2. 4, the number r is the synthetic divisor, so that is the r synthetic divisor coming from the x minus 2. 5, bring the first coefficient down onto line 3. So this one, you can bring the first coefficient, these 2 in line 3. 6, multiply the first coefficient by the synthetic divisor and put the product in line 2 under the second coefficient. So the synthetic divisor to multiply these two, the result obtaining is positive 4. 7, add the second coefficient and the product just found. So you can add negative 6 plus the 4, the result is negative 2. 8, multiply the new result by a synthetic divisor and put the product under the third coefficient. So you can multiply the 2 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 4. Then 9, carry out the pattern already until the final coefficient has been added to the product. So 11 plus the negative 4, that is equivalent to positive 7. And 7 times 2, it obtains a product of positive 14. Negative 6 plus the positive 14, the result is 8. Then 10, write the quotient and the remainder. So the quotient is the 2, negative 2, and 7. So 1, 2, 3, the polynomials becomes a second degree, that is 2x squared minus 2x plus 7. So that is the quotient. Then the 8, that is the remainder. Let us have an example. Find the quotient and the remainder by using the synthetic division. Write the complete solution. 3x cubed plus x squared minus 22x minus 25 divided by x minus 2. Okay, let us show the solution. Write first the 3x cubed plus x squared minus 22x minus 25 divided by x minus 2. So applying the synthetic division, so you just first write the numerical coefficient of these polynomials. So 3, 1, negative 22, negative 25. Then the x minus 2, you can write this as the synthetic divisor, that is the 2. Then next, 3, bring down this 3. 3 times the 2, the product is 6. 1 plus the 6 is equivalent to 7. 7 times 2 is, the product is positive 14. Negative 22 plus the 14, it obtained a result of negative 8. And negative 8 multiplied by 2, the result is negative 16. Negative 25 plus the negative 16 is equivalent to 41. Therefore, the quotient is the 3, 7, 8, that is the quotient. 1, 2, 3. So the degree of the polynomials is second degree. You can write 3x squared plus 7x minus 8, and the remainder is 41. Okay, let us proceed to another example. Use the synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. Write down the complete solution on this board. 6y to the 4 minus 8y squared plus y plus 20 divided by y plus 5. Now let us see the solution. Now first, you can write the standard form of polynomial equation. So 6y to the 4 plus 0y cubed minus 8y squared plus y plus 20 divide y plus 5. Then apply the synthetic division methods. So you can write the coefficient, numerical coefficient of the polynomials. So that is 6, 0, negative 8, positive 1, 20. So the synthetic divisor is y plus 5 become a, when you write in the synthetic division, is negative 5. So bring down the 6, and 6 times the negative 5, that is negative 30. 0 plus negative 30 is an equivalent to negative 30. Negative 30 multiplied by negative 5, the result is 150. Negative 8 plus 150, it obtained as 142. 142 multiplied by negative 5, it obtained a product of negative 710. And 1 plus negative 710, the result is negative 709. And negative 709 multiplied by negative 5, it obtained a product of 3,545. 20 plus 3,545, the result is 3,565. Therefore, the quotient, so 6, negative 3, 142, negative 709 as the quotient, the numerical coefficient of the quotient. So you can write 6y cubed minus 30y squared plus 142y minus 709. Then the remaining, that is the 3,565 as the remainder. Activity 1. Finding the divisor, dividend, and the quotient using the synthetic division. Identify the divisor, dividend, and the quotient in each item below. The number 1 as your guide to solve the next question. So you can see the answer. That is, the divisor is 2x minus 3. And the dividend, that is equal to 6x to the power of 5 minus x to the 4 minus 32x cubed minus 20x squared plus 5x plus 8. And the quotient, that is 6x to the 4 plus 8x cubed minus 20x squared minus 50x minus 70. Okay? Let us solve this question. So how can you write this in the polynomials form? This is given the synthetic process. Okay. So you can see 1, 5, 2, 7, 30 as the dividend, and negative 2 the divisor. What about this one? Is 1, 3, negative 4, 15. That is the quotient. Now the 0 is the remainder. Now to write the polynomials, so the divisor is negative 2. So when you write in polynomial, that is x plus the 2. Okay, here you can see the upper. So if you write that in a polynomials form, that is x to the 4 plus 5, x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x plus 30, and the quotient, that is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 15. So another question. Okay. This is the synthetic forms. So the problem is, how can you write in the divisor in form of polynomials, the dividend in forms of polynomial also, and the quotient, that is in form of polynomials. So let us analyze the 2, 1, negative 7, negative 24 as the dividend of the synthetic. The 5 is the divisor of the synthetic. 2, 11, 48 as the quotient, while the 0 is the remainder. Now to write in a polynomial form, that is x minus 5, and the dividend is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 7x minus 242, while the quotient, that is 2x squared plus 11x plus 48.